What's y'all boys? Today we're gonna be going over a little back testing session. As you can see, it took him 53 trades with a 77% win rate. Obviously I picked and chose those trades, but it doesn't matter because that's my win rate. And today we're basically gonna be going today we're just gonna be going over backtesting sessions and just see what works and what doesn't and getting prepared for this oncoming week. Alright, so this is just a random trade. Not really seeing much here. Looks like we are respecting bearish price action. As you can see, we do have a bearish trend on NQ. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. We have this giant unfilled gap. I don't think we're gonna go head towards it. I basically just want to remain bearish. Yeah, so I know this is choppy and this is choppy price action. Not really the best, but we're gonna go over it and see what I can do. You know, so we're just gonna start off with marking on a buy side level. Hold on. Let's take a look at this. We're disrespecting bearish price action. Now the higher draw. We're gonna do this on both pairs here. Okay, so we have this buy side level that I want to see us react off of. As you can see, we remain bearish. We have this London session low here that I do want to see get hit or head towards, and we can go based off of that. So yeah, we're just gonna see how we react towards this zone, market open, and then just see what's gonna happen. So yeah, market opens. We're gonna look at this in 5 minutes. So we go higher. Okay. We go lower. Hold on. I'm gonna see how ES reacts to this. It's not enough for me. Okay. Okay, so we haven't gotten a trade yet. We did take out that sell side level, but it didn't go exactly how I wanted it. I wanted some sort of high to get hit in order to move lower, but we didn't get that. I guess one entry you could have probably played off of was here. Reversing this whole gap. Closure under, like here, stops above. But that's just one way to trade this, not how I would trade this. So the only way I would really take this trade is if we rebalance. We have a 15-minute gap. I know it's going against the trend, but as we know, price rebalances in certain areas. Let's go ahead and just mark it out as a possibility. So we're just gonna react off of this. And if it doesn't present a good opportunity, then we just won't take it. By the looks of it, it looks like we are gonna dump, but I'm watching. Boom. Let's see if we get a better film in this here. So we inverse this, and we gotta change the state. Now, currently watching this. Let's see. It's already 7:47 here. 7:48. So what market could do is just manipulate these lows and then rebalance. Oh man, but this is already good opportunity. Okay. We ended up taking those lows. No way we finally react off of it. No, I don't think so. Alright. This is where price probably wants to have a rebalance. Yeah, this is looking good for a rebalance. As you can see, we have a lot of buying pressure. Literally saw our model here. We ended up taking higher time frame sell side level, and we have low time frame sell side level, and we inverse. And now I just want to see us tap in here. Keep the stops here. Go for a cheeky 1-to-1. If I lose this, it's because I'm going against the trend, but I do want that rebalance to happen. I'm already break even here. Oh, got break even there, but as you can see, the overall idea hit. So if we entered off of here, let's see what the difference is. Yeah, it would have been way hold on. Would have been way cleaner on NQ. Let's just see what happens. Oh, I forgot. This is the manipulation point. I would have entered here. Stops here. Targeting that 15-minute gap. And that's why you wait for your model. But yeah. Already in here. Break even. Boom. Hit our target. 1-4. I would have taken this on NQ just because it gave me a better RR, and it looked, to me, it looked way cleaner. So yeah, it's basically how I trade this. I count this as a W. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the next example and last example because it's getting late, and I just want to post a video because I haven't done it in a long time. So let's get it. Here we have another example. I did kind of pass. It's already 8 a.m. here. I haven't really looked. I just passed right now. I didn't look at price action, but we're just gonna read one chart and go based off of that. So we inverse this gap here. I'm just going based off of what I see, and we have this manipulation leg. Do we have an SMT? No, we don't have an SMT. Let's take a look at the 4 hours, see if we can see anything we can play off of here. So we have that manipulation leg, we inversed, and we do have a gap here. Or, yeah, we're just gonna see how we react towards these levels, or towards this low, and see how we want to react towards it. So boom, 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 boom. Okay, now we're in this gap. I ultimately want to see price action move higher, or even if we inverse this gap, I want to see his rebalance. So the more I look at this, the more bearish it looks, but I'm watching. Unless we close above here, then I'm not entering. Boom. Internal manipulation in this gap. This is dog shit. Okay. I don't know what NQ's doing. I can't really see. I should have been entered here. And we could have just been targeting this 5 minute gap. Maybe it's too late to enter. This would have been my original trade, by the way, guys. I accidentally I always target like midway through the gap. Literally just a 1-1. I'm gonna enter this because I do believe we're gonna have a reaction off of it and ignore this gap. So let's see. And if we lose, well, it's because of this right here. But I don't think that's the case since we are respecting bullish price action here. So let's see. Okay. Already break even. TP1 hit. I'm gonna take away 50% of my position here and see how we react. See how we react to this gap. I see a low. Okay. With my stop loss. Okay, we are in for a good little reset here. Flip reset. 720, never took the high. But yeah, I have my stops here. We're probably gonna get stopped out. Oh shit. I'll literally just keep it at this low. Already just targeting at a 1-1. Regardless, we're gonna eat. All I want to see is that high get hit. 1-1 overall, not bad. Now, why did this work? Like I said, the higher time frame always matters the most. We had an inverse gap. We rebalanced, as you can see, to a fair value gap. And all I was doing was seeing how we react towards it. Literally how we react towards it. So I wanted to see higher time frame manipulation, which was here, and internal manipulation, which I marked out here. And after that, I was just seeing whether we have a change in state or IFVG model. And we had our change in the state here. Did we get an IFVG? We never got an IFVG. I swear I saw one. Probably on NQ maybe. Anyways, I'm just that goated that I could predict the markets at this point. I'm joking. We didn't get an IFVG till here. Targeting 1-1. Regardless, my trade would have hit on the tick. Regardless, we're good. No matter where we entered, we would have won. And I'm assuming we do take buy side. Plane. Okay, I'm sure NQ took it. Anyways, that's it for the video. I just wanted to give you guys an example of just how I trade overall, and 77% win rate. Not bad. But yeah, sorry if I'm tired. It's fucking 1 in the morning, as you can see in my screen. But yeah, I have the ability to make money in the markets, but impatience is a thing. I will be live trading from now on, so yeah, man. I love y'all boys, and I'll see y'all later.